Hey, welcome back. Whether you're here for yourself, a parent, a grandparent, or even a family friend, you've come to the right place. Today we're diving into senior travel discounts and benefits, how to find them, who qualifies, and, most importantly, how to actually get these deals. And here's a quick heads up, there's a lot to cover. Feel free to pause the video, replay sections if needed, and remember, all the phone numbers and details I share are also available in the description below. Let's get started. Let's start with the big players in the US airline industry. Many of these airlines offer discounts specifically for seniors, but they don't make it obvious. You've got to ask. American Airlines. Call their main customer service line at 1-800-433-7300. When you reach a representative, ask about their senior fares. Mention your travel route and dates. You might qualify for a special discount, especially if you're flying domestically. Be polite but firm, and make sure to check both round-trip and one-way options. Delta Airlines. Reach out to Delta's team by calling 1-800-221-1212. You'll want to say something like, "I'm traveling as a senior citizen and heard you offer discounts. Can you confirm that for me?" They may ask for proof of age, so have your ID handy. United Airlines. You can contact United Airlines at 1-800-864-8331. Ask specifically for their senior discounts, and don't forget to inquire about any travel flexibility perks. Some airlines waive change fees for senior fares. Alaska Airlines. This one is a hidden gem for domestic flyers, especially if you're heading to the Pacific Northwest. Give them a call at 1-800-252-7522 and ask for information about their senior pricing policies. They're known for great service and discounts on shorter routes. Hawaiian Airlines. If you're planning a tropical getaway, their senior fares are worth looking into. Call their team at 1-800-367-5320 to learn about deals specific to seniors. Be sure to ask about any bundled offers that might include lodging or car rentals. Now let's talk about international travel. Whether it's a trip to Europe or a bucket list adventure, several airlines cater to senior travelers in really unique ways. Aer Lingus. Based in Ireland, Aer Lingus is an excellent option for those visiting Europe. Their customer service number is 1-800-474-7424. When you call, ask about senior fares and whether they include any extras like free seat selection or baggage allowances. British Airways. For trips across the Atlantic, call 1-800-AIRWAYS. They partner with AARP, so if you or your loved one is an AARP member, you might get additional discounts. Be sure to mention this up front. Lufthansa. This German airline is known for catering to older passengers, especially on long-haul flights. Call them at 1-800-645-3880 and ask about their special assistance packages. These might include priority boarding or meal preferences that fit specific dietary needs. Singapore Airlines. For seniors who are venturing into Asia, Singapore Airlines offers some of the most comfortable flights. Call 1-800-742-3333 to discuss senior-friendly booking options. Air Canada, traveling north. Air Canada provides senior discounts, especially for domestic flights within Canada. Give them a ring at 1-888-247-2262 and ask about age-based eligibility. Now here's something important. Let's talk about who qualifies for these discounts. Typically, airlines define senior as anyone aged 60 and older, but some programs may start at 55. It's always worth asking, even if you're slightly below the threshold. You never know when exceptions can be made. When you're speaking with an agent, here are a few key questions to ask. Do you offer senior discounts on this specific route? Are there any restrictions or blackout dates for these fares? Do senior fares include additional perks like free seat selection or flexible rebooking options? Also, keep in mind that you might need to provide proof of age, either at the time of booking or when you check in. A government-issued ID like a passport or driver's license works just fine. In this section, let's take a closer look at TSA PreCheck and travel insurance, two essential tools for seniors. TSA PreCheck lets you bypass long security lines, keep your shoes and belt on, and avoid digging through your carry-on at checkpoints. It's especially helpful if mobility is a concern. To enroll, you'll need to visit a TSA enrollment center, but many seniors find the process straightforward. If you're traveling with family, they can often join you in the expedited line. Now, travel insurance. I cannot stress enough how important it is for seniors, especially for international trips. Coverage should include medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and delays. When you're shopping for a plan, ask the provider if they offer coverage tailored for older travelers. Allianz and TravelX are two companies I'd recommend calling to explore your options. Finally, let's wrap up with some general advice for making every trip comfortable and enjoyable for seniors, and anyone traveling with them. Packing tips. Use packing cubes to organize essentials like medications and personal items. Always carry a list of medications and emergency contacts in your carry-on. Seat selection. Request an aisle seat for easier access to the restroom. Many airlines offer free seat selection for seniors, just ask when booking. Mobility assistance. If walking long distances is challenging, request a wheelchair or cart service at the airport. Airlines offer this service for free, but you'll need to notify them in advance. Family coordination. For family members, apps like TripIt can help you stay on top of the itinerary, gate changes, or delays. It's a great way to keep everyone on the same page. Alright, there you have it. Everything you need to save money, stay comfortable, and make travel stress-free as a senior or someone helping a senior. Remember, all the phone numbers and key details I mentioned are listed in the description below, so feel free to pause, replay, or refer back as needed. Don't forget to share this video with someone who might find it helpful, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and safe travels.